Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am here with our March digital art collection unboxing. I have all of the products this time, so this is going to be a swift video, hopefully. Let's go ahead and get started. I have my Vistaprint bookmarks. Just pull that out. Okay. And these are the bookmarks for the month of March. I named her Sunshine Glory, and it just has my logo here at the top, and then the back just has a few of the colors. So that is Sunshine Glory, the bookmarks. All right, and we have our Sticker Mule stickers. Here are our stickers for March. Sunshine Glory. If you want to get a closer look, put that to the side. We have our sticky note and notepad for March. We have the yellow color sticky notes. And I tried a new design this month with the notepads. So we have that checkered print with the Sunshine Glory art at the top. This is our postcard for March. Sunshine Glory postcard. We have our art print for March, 5x7. Really good quality. And then we have our greeting card. So this time I got it right with the fold. Everything on that looks good. It's a blank inside. So we have that. And here's the greeting card for March. And that is the March digital art collection. I hope you guys are enjoying unboxings, and I hope you have fun shopping this month for the new collection. And until next time, peace.